It comes with the wires. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Daily Crave, and in today's video we'll be going over the new grill that I've got for the Mustang. And yeah, I didn't know at first I was gonna wait to put the grill in like with the other stuff that I got coming, or well, just gonna do it separately. But since the other stuff is taking forever to get here because of COVID and all of that, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. And I'm trying to, let's just jump straight into it, guys. And also, have you guys went and got your COVID vaccine? Because I went and I've got mine earlier today. I was a little nervous about it at first, but I was like, I feel like it may come down to that it's gonna be necessary that we get those. So if you want to go travel to a different state, or travel out the country, or travel wherever, or go back to school and do all of this and that, I feel like they're being nice with it now, but I feel like it's gonna be like necessary to get one to do certain things with. So that's what made me want to get one. And yeah, but anyways, without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Okay guys, so it comes with the wires and it comes with directions. So okay guys, so here it is. This is the Renegade series upper grill. They got two different options. You can get one with the fog light and the ring light, or you can get the option like I got with just or you can get the one that I got with just the ring light without the fog lights, and that's the one that I got. Now I'm trying to see if I'm going to paint this black, or am I gonna leave it and not paint that black? I don't know. I guess we'll find out in this video. If not, I may still paint it black, but we'll see. I'm gonna paint that black because nothing is chrome on my car, and I don't want no chrome at all. So I'm finna go to the store to either get some, I don't know, like some satin black cans of paint or something, because I don't want that I don't want that chrome and all. But let me finish putting all this tape on the other side. Alright guys, so we are on our way to get some paint. I don't know, I'm probably gonna go to Lowe's so I can do this. And now it's looking like it's finna rain, which I hope not. But so I'll see you guys once I make it to Lowe's. Okay guys, so I just came from out of Lowe's, and here is the paint that I got. Some Rust-Oleum satin black paint and primer. Paint is good for like wood, metal, plastic, masonry stuff, and it's for fast drying and rust prevention. So this is what I'm gonna use, and we're gonna make it work. So let's get back to the house. Alright guys, so I just got through masking off everything, and Finna get ready to spray paint this inner part right here. This chrome piece, whatever y'all already know. So finna get ready to spray paint this part right here, and yeah, then I'll do the same for the other side. But let's get to it. Alright guys, so just got through taking out the grill, and that was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's just these clips right here on the back. You just had to push them down a little bit and get you some room to work with to get it off. It's quite simple. But here is the old grill right here. And yeah, now it's time to install the new grill. Okay guys, so here is how it turned out. Instead of chrome, it is black now, and it looks 10 times better. It looks so much better. I gotta say, if y'all get this grill and y'all want to paint it like satin black or black, matte black, flat black, whatever you want to paint it, it looks a lot better than that chrome, just in my opinion, because I don't have no chrome on my car, and that looks so much better. That looks killer. Alright guys, tell me what y'all think, because you know it's not fully on the car yet, but you can get a sneak peek of what it'll look like on the car. Alright guys, so it has just started like pouring down, like literally it's pouring down now. So I gotta hurry up so I can get my mom's Jeep back in the garage. So sorry if you don't see everything, just know this is why.
What about mine? Tell your story, everybody got one. You gonna make it go fast?
Alright guys, so it's the next day, and here is the final results. This is like late afternoon, like 7 o'clock in the afternoon, and I gotta say, man, these lights, they look really good with the car. It flows really, really well. I like it a lot. It gives the car a whole different, just a different vibe, a different look. Yeah, check it out up close, y'all. Really cool. And like, man, in one of my last videos, I was telling y'all that I don't really like messing with wires. I actually connected these lights for the first time. You know, my first like wiring job, and that was easier than what I thought it was. So yeah, it's really, really nice. It looks really good, really clean, y'all. But yeah, I got some zip ties on the inside that I need to cut off. But yeah, we're gonna get those cut off. All right, guys, so here is the lights at nighttime. I apologize if I'm winded. Also, these lights plus the new turning signal, if you guys have not seen that video, I will sorry, I'm super winded. I will include that in the top right corner, top left, whatever corner. I put it up at the top so you guys can see it. But now I got to get some newer, it's probably not going to show as good, but I got to get some brighter bulbs for my headlights, and I got to switch up my headlight bulbs or whatever. But yeah, this is really, really, really worth the money. They are bright, really, really bright. Like you can see really well, a lot better, like really well. But yeah, guys, that concludes this video. I realized that I didn't add no encouragement or message or whatever you want to call it. I didn't add a message in the video because I don't want you guys to only see me just building this car. It's way more than that. I find myself, I'm gonna just talk about myself. I find myself sometimes wanting stuff to happen so fast and so quickly, and get mad at the fact that it's not happening that fast, or it's not happening as quickly as I want it. And then what I started to realize and what I started to think about is that, you know, everything is supposed to happen as it should. And I had to always remind myself that it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. I don't know why sometimes I know why I feel myself wanting to like race to the top, like get there as fast as possible. Then I had to think about that that's not the case, and I shouldn't be doing that. And it's like, you know, comparison is a thief of joy. You know, social media can either be a gift or it can either be like a curse. As you will find yourself comparing yourself to other people that's, you know, trying to do the same thing or doing the same thing as you, and you will find yourself comparing yourself to them because you're like, dang, I'm not really, you know, how can I do that? Or this is not possible. You gotta think about it. It's a process, guys. So basically what I'm trying to say here, and what message I'm giving y'all today, is just climb and maintain. Stuff is attainable. It really is. It's just a mindset.